What's the meaning of attacker? Attacker. Attacker.
Attacker. Attacker. An attacker is someone who attempts to harm or gain unauthorized access to a system or network. Individuals or groups can be attackers, and they may have various motives for their actions, such as financial gain, political reasons, or personal satisfaction. Attackers use a variety of techniques such as phishing scams, malware, or brute force attacks to achieve their objectives. By breaching security measures, attackers can steal sensitive information, damage systems, or disrupt services. The impact of an attack can be severe, resulting in financial losses, reputational damage, legal consequences, and even physical harm.